your own exciting story. From a galaxy far, far away to infinity and beyond, where dreams come true. Welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
It's raining.
This sucks.
All week. So we just finished doing our room tour vlog, but we kind of want to show you what we bought because we just also went to a small card shop in Castleberry, Florida. So let's take a look.
Behold my stuff.
So the shop that we went to was called Big League Sports and Pokemon and Gaming Cards. They are in Castleberry, Florida. So what we have here are some ETBs, a few Pokemon card packs, Japanese ones over here, some English versions, and obviously some Lorcana. So Brandon's opening up some of the cards. So what's he got? What he got?
Nothing much.
Nothing?
No. These are 3 cards in the pack, which are Dollar Tree type packs, so you know, it's just fun opening these packs. I love opening them, so let us see what we get so far. Oh, and a regular hollow. It's okay, it's not bad. Let us see what we have here. Let's check. Oh, look, a trophy.
That's another way to do it.
Yeah, it's the only way to do it. Okay, let us see what we have. I can't either Japanese, so oh, it's so pretty. These are those cards. It's one. It's better if you had scissors, but we don't have scissors, so.
Or we just can't find them.
We'll make do with what you got. You know. Here we go. Nope. I guess there's enough room to like rip it.
You're butchering the packaging.
I am butchering it bad, but what can you do? Let's see here. Oh, nice.
Wow.
Glisopod.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, put that one there. She looks nice and shiny. Okay. This is going to be a lot of garbage.
So here are Brandon's pulls. Not bad. They look pretty cool as well. So we're going to start opening up some Lorcana over here. So let's see.
The one that gets the better pulls, the loser has to pay for them.
Okay.
So we'll see. So we have Horus.
Tinkerbell.
Jasmine. Ooh, Elsa.
Ooh.
Not bad. Not bad.
Oh, I also got an Elsa.
Control your temper.
Mickey Mouse.
Maleficent. Simba.
And my special card is the Lantern.
We have Aurora. Oh, yes. Goofy. The Three Musketeers. Ooh, Donald from the Three Musketeers.
Ooh.
We have the Musketeer Tavern. Ooh, this is a Musketeer
Pack.
pack.
Oh, yeah.
Belle.
I see.
And then we got ourselves Steamboat Willie himself, Mickey Mouse.
Not bad, not bad. Okay, second pack.
Oh, I'm winning.
Okay. All right.
Belle got me the good stuff.
The Mickey Mouse.
Duke
Mufasa.
Weaselton?
Pongo. Oops.
Maleficent.
Simba.
Aladdin.
The wardrobe.
Minnie Mouse.
Cerberus.
The best song ever, Friends on the Other Side.
Goofy.
Goons.
Lilo.
Maximus.
Dragonfire.
Who's he?
I have no idea. I think he's part of Captain Hook's team.
He is, I'm just...
Starkey.
Starkey.
Hans.
Ooh.
What? Your card? Well, I have Jasmine.
Oh, dude, no. I got
What?
Now, there's a certain section of cards that are either hollow or non-hollow. Pretty big. First things first, Elsa. Yes. And Surfer Stitch. Booyah. And then after, just
You got
an
the.
average Aladdin. But not bad.
I got Sven, and he's a hollow.
Not bad.
Okay.
How many
What?
packs do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4.
I have 4. Okay, I'm
gonna open up the Elsa one. We did one of each already.
So far, your boy ain't paying for dinner.
You're paying for dinner? Not paying for dinner.
I'm not paying for
Okay.
dinner. You are, because I am winning. Sudden Chill.
Peter Pan.
Donald Duck.
Mickey Mouse.
Goofy.
Peter Pan. Again.
Kuna Matata.
Mr. Smee.
Magic Broom.
Elsa.
Break.
Tinkerbell.
Prince Philip.
Grandma Tala.
Donald Duck.
Cinderella.
Donald Duck.
Again.
Yeah.
Ransack.
Iago.
Captain Hook.
Maleficent.
Lilo.
Well, we got our first double rare. Oh, double hollow. Steamboat Willie.
Got Reflections as mine. Okay, so we should have 3 packs each.
Yes.
This is hard. Aladdin. Vicious Betrayal.
Yeah, Vicious Betrayal.
Merlin.
Donald Duck.
Minnie Mouse. I swear you have a lot of Donald Ducks.
Yeah, and then he's got a sword.
Sebastian.
Pumbaa.
Jetson.
Jafar.
Captain Hook.
Kristoff.
Sven.
Pascal.
Jumba.
Cheshire Cat.
One jump ahead from Aladdin.
Belle.
Maui.
Zeus.
Beast.
Oh. Sword of Truth.
And your rare.
Is the wardrobe.
And I got one of the Dalmatians.
We got Pongo?
Yeah.
I hate playing with that card. So far, not bad.
Oh.
It would be nice to get one of the really good hollows, but so far, not too bad.
The rare.
My boy is
Genie.
Genie.
Hagrid.
Aurora.
Work together. Sergeant Tibbs.
Sergeant Tibbs.
Same Dalmatian, but not the hollow.
Better Dog. Stitch.
Hey.
Yzma.
Freeze.
Captain Hook.
Love Simba.
Chief Tula?
Tui.
Tui. I'm butchering this so bad. Prince Philip.
Be our guest.
Smash.
Simba.
Genie.
Lady Tremaine.
Oh. Hans.
Hades.
Oh, look at that. She got the Stitch, but I got Fire the Cannons.
My Stitch. Okay, last pack for both.
Let's see.
Duke Weaselton.
Meg.
Maleficent.
Flounder.
Aladdin.
Sergeant Tibbs.
Minnie.
Dinglehopper.
Jetsam.
Yzma.
Hercules.
Ooh, Cerberus.
Shield of Virtue.
Anna.
Ursula.
Mad Hatter. Oh God,
Tamatoa, I think it's from Moana.
Chief Tua?
Tui?
Tui.
I don't know, we're
I
butchering
think
it.
it's so bad.
Hades.
Mickey Mouse.
Mother. Gothel, I think. And Lilo.
I got Tinkerbell, so I'm definitely winning. And then I got the coconut
Coconuts.
basket.
Wow. But yeah, that's our unboxing for Lorcana. Hope you enjoy. We just wanted to show you how Brandon unpacks. And then there's me.
Just this.
I'm gonna start cleaning this up. Time for some 151. Here's my pile.
My
Here's
pile.
Brandon's. And each 151 ETB came with a Snorlax. I think Brandon's is still in the sleeve, but
And then also comes with
some sleeves.
some sleeves. So,
Yeah, let's see. No card trick, right?
no card trick. Everything is all in the back.
Let's see if I can keep my side clean.
You won't.
I know.
Let's see what cards I have.
Ooh, got an EX Blastoise.
Well, that's interesting. Reverse hollows. Oh, Mew.
Okay, there you go. I feel like you got us upset with that.
I wouldn't mind the full art version, but
Oh.
you know, beggars can't be choosers. Oh yeah, this Galaxy foil.
So I just got a hollow Articuno and a hollow Energy.
Valpoon, Growlithe, and just a regular hollow Starmie. Maybe that.
I'm gonna add yours over here.
It's okay. There are certain cards that I will need because I am creating a master set. So, every reverse hollow is very important, and a shiny Jolteon I still need. There we go.
Got two reverse hollows. You might need those. Jigglypuff and Persian. My holo is Gengar
Mine's is just a wheezing.
and a basic energy.
Crazy.
Oh, reverse holo, more turtle. Holo wheezing,
Oh,
basic energy.
just a Kabutops hollow. The sorts.
You're gonna organize it later.
Yeah, kind of have to. Kind of see on the checklist what I need.
Oh, I just ruined it for myself.
Did you get something really cool?
The holo. I mean,
Something awesome?
the energy. See if I got another good card. Nope, there's a holo star.
Okay, star maybe. And hollow Needle King. Pulls on these things are not so great so far. 4 packs, right? 4 packs left, and only got that Mew.
Struggling there for a sec.
Only got the Blastoise. Oh, wait, never mind. I think I maybe spoke too soon. Hopefully I spoke too soon. Nah, I spoke too soon.
Yeah. Reverse, Eevee. Oh. Reverse, Raichu. Holo, Dragonite.
All I need is reverse hollow, so.
Here, you have all on my side. I think I might have still some in the pile from the first couple packs I opened.
Nothing good so far. Hopefully you get something.
First holo to Trio. Reverse holo Pidgey.
Enchant.
And Nidoking holo.
Enchant. Ooh.
What?
Pulls not so good.
Yeah, that's been the trend with 151.
So good, not so
Even
good. Just a Mew
others agree.
on Blastoise. Better. Not that quick. Yeah, let's see.
First holo Dragonair. I don't think you have that.
Oh,
Oh,
we got a, yeah, got something.
reverse holo Meowth, sorry.
Oh.
What?
EX Kangaskhan.
EX full art. Arbok.
Which I need, so awesome.
Okay, last pack for me.
Last pack for me too.
And I'm struggling. Oh, nope, never mind. I thought I was struggling.
I guess I have a lot of garbage.
Yes. Reverse Lapras.
Oh, I got a water
Reverse.
And a
Right on.
Mewtwo hollow.
And holo Old Master.
So both boxes only came with like 2 each. You got like a full art and the Blastoise, right?
And I got
EX.
this one.
Yeah, but those come in
I
only
know.
like 1
And
out of 2 packs.
This one?
Yeah, but ugh.
Not great pulls, but
No.
thanks for watching our unboxing.
Thank you.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Resistance? I get no problems. The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he... Yes, Joy will pilot us in. You retrieved 1 container of Covaxia. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Woo!